The department has initiated in the taking of construction work for the protection and anti-erosion measures of Ungi River along Balat, Dangar, and Larpani village. The DPR has been prepared and submitted to CWC Regional Office Shillong for examination. B, sir. Sir, emergency measures are being taken up by the providing bamboos, plus siding filled with sun bag to protect bank erosion of Balat village and market are which was sanctioned through state plan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are all aware about the erosion that takes place every year in the Balat area, Dangar area, and the Lalpani area of my constituency, sir. The Honorable Minister himself has also paid a visit. Sir, till date, nothing seems to be happening in that area, and every year, a lot of plantations, a lot of household, including a temple and a church, has been washed away by this river, sir. I can see from the reply of the Honorable Minister that efforts have been made and DPR has been prepared. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, what are the other projects or under various schemes that such work has already been taken on an immediate basis?
Sir, we have a sanction scheme in two types of scheme to sanction for the river of Balat and Dangar to protect the immediately damage for Balat river, sanction from the state. Construction of bank rebating and protection work for change 420 running meter 16 lakh point 0.63 on 21st July 2020. Work is in progress. Emergency anti-erosion measure and construction bank rebating with change 410 running meter 69 lakh 7.778 on 24th February 21 work under tendering process.
Sir, we understand, sir, there are some efforts made by the department in containing the river, but I think the river is very forceful and very strong during the monsoon time, sir. Nevertheless, I have seen few works that has happened, sir, but all these bamboo rivetings and whatever protection that have tried have all been washed away, even during the monsoon within 1 week's time, sir. Sir, on a long-term effort, there was a submission made by the Honorable Chief Minister in his reply last year relating to mega work which has been submitted to the Central Water Commission. May I ask the Minister to kindly tell us what is the status of this project or of the proposal submitted to Government of India?
Sir, DPR prepared by Water Resources Department and to submit to the Ministry of Jal Shakti Government of India. The name of scheme river of management in the border area of Balat region for anti-erosion and protection measures. Sanction amount 105.126 crores. DPR under observation examination of CWC Regional Office Shillong, sir.
So I think the process is on, sir, but may I request the Honorable Minister to kindly follow up so that we can get an early sanction of this proposal. so as to avoid further denudation and erosion of the soil, sir.
Point is noted, sir.